This is a 2-minute summary on my trip to Atlanta, Georgia for the Conference for the Association for Software Testing, also known as CAST. After a 4-hour flight, I landed in Atlanta. The following day, I walked over to Truist Park, home of the Atlanta Braves and the World Series champions for 2021. The conference featured amazing views of the park and gorgeous weather. Day 1 of the conference kicked off with a full-day tutorial by Tariq King on AI and machine learning. At the end of the day, it featured a welcome reception. Wrapped up with a scavenger hunt around Truist Park. We literally got to see the dugout of the world champions, as well as the field they played on. Day 2 was the full conference. Ben Simo talked about computer-assisted testing. Rajni Hadi on ethical hacking for testers. Greg Sippold on model-based testing. Lori Sirius on quality isn't funny. Tariq King on testers revolutionizing AI. And Angie Jones on the build that cried broken. I met quite a few people and had a great time collaborating. At the end of the conference, the 2 following days, the AST's board met and discussed all the things necessary for next year. Thanks for watching.